one person's pursuit to get it just right, this GTS is a special wishes car. What that means is Porsche pulls a near complete car from the line. They rip it apart, bring it back to step 2, and then build it to customer specification. This one's extensively tailored. It's paint to sample, Fjord Green, no sunroof, lightweight glass. There's touches of exterior color throughout, LED matrix lamp, and check this out. Titanium gray engine compartment cover. Performance-wise, it has rear axle steering, front axle lift, power steering plus, dynamic chassis control, and ceramic brakes. It's got a two-tone interior like you've never seen. Agave green club leather over Cognac. It has these ventilated sport seats with 930 quilting, GTS script, piping, then full leather and Paldao wood backs. Look at all this leather. Here, 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 the fuse box panel, and even this, the lower door sill guard. The car's got wood inlays throughout, but look at this. Just a touch of carbon fiber, matte carbon fiber. Where there isn't leather, there's race tex. See all the stitching? It's deviated. And here, check this out. It's a leather book wallet. Oh, it has the sub-second clock and the premium package with the Burmester. And the 7-speed has a leather boot and Cognac. This GTS embodies the tailoring options available to us to specify a car exactly as it needs to be.